In this video, we will demonstrate Corvic AI's capability of Code Augment. We will be taking a file with Apple stock price and calculating the Garmin class intraday volatility. Let's go ahead and upload the stock price data. This data is a CSV file, so I'll be just uploading it from a file that I have locally made available. Great, the file is now available. I'll create an app. The Code Augment needs to be done inside an app. All right, the app is now available. As a first step, I'll be dragging and dropping the data source into the canvas. The canvas now is showing this data source. We will also need to extract the tables from this. This allows us to preview and understand the structure of the data. Let's run the pipeline and preview the data. In a few seconds, the pipeline completes, and now we can look into the data. So we'll do a quick preview by clicking into the output here. And here we have some prices, the stock prices data. So there is open, high, low, as well as the closed. Note the dollar sign in the data value. So this is all text. We also have the date. All right. So let's now go ahead with the augment. In order to augment, I'll go back to the canvas and in the outputs, add the augment option. The augment option will give me some methods for augment. This will include AI, web, and code augment. I'll select code augment and begin giving the instruction. All right. That looks straightforward enough. Let's see what the suggestion comes back on this code augment. And here's the output from the code augment capability. So here we've got the new column mentioned here, and we also got the script. And note that it already replaced the dollars. So it was able to handle the text values and convert to the required data types and calculate the logic. Great. This column, this instruction space is editable. You could add more instructions as you like. At this point, I'd like to change the return type to float and apply the calculation. I can see that the application worked, and I'll be able to see the code augment box here. So you can see that this augment capability has been added. Great. Now I will run the pipeline so that the new column that we requested for gets calculated and updated. In a few seconds, the calculations finish. Now you can see the green tick mark here, which is telling us that the calculations are done, and I can go and preview the output. So let's preview the data. So you can see the same few columns that about the stock price, and here is the new calculated column, the intraday volatility data. This is now available for us to explore here or explore via an agent or augment further and join further with other data sources in your enterprise. Thank you.